Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I want to show all the Pi pioneers one of the best ways to exchange your Pi. Is one of the best exchanges that's out there now that you can use in exchanging your Pi for USDT. So this exchange is actually it's actually new and is made for Pi, and this is one of those exchanges that Pi has been actually talking about for their Pi Dex. So it's actually out now, and I want to show the pioneers how to actually use this exchange. And the nice thing about this exchange is that there is actually a 5% promo that is actually going on right now on Pi. So if you're selling your Pi, you'll be actually making an extra 5% to the current price of Pi right now. So I want to show you guys how it works. So when you come to your Pi browser, once you open your Pi browser, what you need to do, you need to click on this home button that is at the top center of the screen. So once you click on home button, it loads the URL bar. So you need to go to pidex.co. Okay, so here is the home page of pidex.co. So I'll be leaving the URL to this exchange in the description of this video. I'll also display it in front of this screen for everybody to see. So once you come to Pidex here now, the home screen, the first thing you need to do, you need to connect your wallet to the exchange to be able to trade your coins. So you can either click on connect or get started. So I'm just going to click on connect to actually connect on to the exchange. So once I click on connect, I need to connect my wallet. So I need to input my 24-word seed phrase. Please, I've copied this seed phrase on my clipboard. I'm going to be pasting it here, and I'll be blurring it. I wouldn't want anybody to see my seed phrase, please. So I'll paste my seed phrase here, and then I'll click on unlock with passphrase. So it brings us here to this exchange. It means we are connected to the exchange right now. So as you can see now on the balance section, I have about 163 Pi on my available balance in my wallet. So, and you can see up here now that the live price of Pi at the time of this video is actually 0.21, but you'll be getting an extra 5%, so you'll be selling your Pi at 0.22 USDT. So there's actually a 5% promo that is going on now. So I'm just going to sell 100 of this Pi. So, and I'll just click here and I'll input to sell 100. And that's going to give me about 21.63 USDT. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to input my USDT wallet. I need to get my USDT address. So I want to receive this USDT on my Trust wallet. So I'll go to my Trust wallet and get my USDT address. So I've got my USDT address. Then I'll paste it here. I'm supposed to put it. And then the next thing is that I'll click sell Pi. So this transaction is actually processing now. So it's going to take about like less than a minute for this transaction to process. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to just go to our Trust wallet and check if this transaction has actually completed it. So right now, here guys, look at it here right now. So I've actually received these 21.62 USDT from Pidex. So this is how easy it is actually to swap your Pi. Like right now, this 21.62 USDT is in my wallet right now, and it actually took less than a minute for this transaction to actually complete. So that is it guys for this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this from the core team and the crypto community at large. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.